Struggling with mood, focus, or anxiety? We often look to therapy, medication, or lifestyle changes for answers, but we routinely ignore the most powerful, foundational tool we have: sleep. This isn't just about feeling tired. Poor sleep and poor mental health are locked in a destructive dance. Welcome to the Health Sketchpad. I'm Dr. AB, and today we're exploring why sleep isn't a luxury. It's the non-negotiable foundation of your mental well-being. First, understand that sleep is not passive. It's when your brain runs its essential night shift. During deep sleep, your glymphatic system, a network of cleaning channels, kicks into high gear. It flushes out metabolic toxins, including beta-amyloid proteins linked to stress and brain fog. Think of it as taking out the brain's daily trash. Miss sleep, and the trash piles up.
Here's the first major connection.
Sleep deprivation is like taking the brakes off your emotional brain. Research shows that after poor sleep, your amygdala, the fear and alarm center, becomes over 60% more reactive to negative stimuli. Meanwhile, the prefrontal cortex, which helps you regulate those emotions, becomes sluggish. The result? You're more irritable, anxious, and prone to overreacting. Sleep is critical for memory and learning. During the REM, dream stage, your brain rehearses and consolidates the day's experiences, moving them from short-term to long-term storage. It also processes emotional memories, helping to take the painful edge off them. Without this, you're left with a foggy brain, poor focus, and unresolved emotional baggage. Poor sleep directly dysregulates your HPA axis, your body's stress response system. It leads to elevated evening levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. This creates a state of hyper-arousal, making it harder to fall asleep, which creates more stress, a classic vicious cycle. Chronic high cortisol is a key player in anxiety and depression. So how do we protect this vital resource? We use sleep hygiene, not about cleanliness, but about cultivating habits that signal safety to your brain. 1. Consistency. Go to bed and wake up at the same time, even on weekends. 2. The 1-hour wind down. No screens. Read a book, listen to calm music. 3. Dark, cool, quiet. Optimize your cave. Darkness triggers melatonin. Treat this routine not as a chore, but as the most important appointment of your day with your future, saner self. If anxiety or racing thoughts keep you up, fighting them makes it worse. Instead, try paradoxical intention. Get out of bed, go to another room, and do something boring in dim light until you feel sleepy. The goal is to break the association of bed with anxiety. Also, use the thought record technique from our last video on paper, not in your mind, at your desk, to park worries for the next day. To recap, sleep is your brain's essential detox, emotional regulator, memory consolidator, and stress dampener. Neglecting it directly undermines your mental health. Prioritizing it is the single most effective step you can take to build resilience, stabilize mood, and think clearly. Tonight, see your bedtime not as the end of the day, but as the first, most important investment in tomorrow's mental well-being. What's one sleep habit you'll commit to? Share it below. For more science-backed strategies to build a healthier mind, subscribe to the Health Sketchpad. Sweet dreams.